Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Now, this is going to be quick and straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Alright, so first open up WhatsApp and go to settings. Now, from here, you can tap on chats and tap on chat backup. Okay, so here it says that your chat is actually backed up. So whenever you have a new device, you just put in your number and all your chat history and backup is going to be restored to your new device. So if this doesn't work for you, what you can actually do is you can go to your device's settings, tap on your name, go to iCloud, and from here under apps using iCloud, you can tap on show all and make sure that WhatsApp is enabled in here. Now, if you need to restore your WhatsApp messages on your device, you can go to iCloud backup and you can just restore your device to an earlier time and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.